Which documentation can AI agents actually reason over? 3 go head-to-head: Document 360, Gitbook, and Confluence. First up and leading off every round, Document 360, structured, governed knowledge built for AI. Its challengers, Gitbook, the clean home for developer-facing documentation, and Confluence, the Atlassian team wiki half the industry already runs on. 4 rounds decide it: organization, AI authoring, AI search, and governance. Round 1, content organization. Document 360 goes first, because an AI agent is only ever as good as the structure underneath it. You get a category manager, article templates, a glossary, reusable snippets, and a genuinely structured taxonomy. That structure isn't decoration, it's what lets a retrieval system tell a policy apart from a changelog. Gitbook answers with clean, well-organized developer docs, tidy, hierarchical, and a pleasure to navigate. Confluence offers flexible spaces and near-infinite freedom, which is precisely why so many Confluence instances turn into a swamp. Duplicated pages, no owners, no hierarchy an agent can trust. Freedom is wonderful for humans and expensive for machines. Round 1, Document 360. Round 2, AI authoring. Document 360 leads with a full suite: an AI writer to draft, an AI writing agent to restructure and expand, a summarizer, FAQ and glossary generators, and duplicate detection, which stops 2 articles quietly contradicting each other, precisely the thing that poisons an AI agent's answers. Gitbook offers capable AI-assisted writing, and its agent can make changes directly in the editor. Confluence has Atlassian intelligence, improving fast and sitting right where teams already work. Both are real. But keeping a whole knowledge base coherent at scale is a very different job from drafting one good page. Round 2, Document 360. Round 3, AI search. Document 360's Ask Eddie answers conversationally, with citations you can click, and it indexes external sources too, so a reply isn't limited to whatever lives inside the knowledge base. For an agent, that citation trail is everything. It's the difference between an answer and a guess. Gitbook's AI search is genuinely good, giving short answers straight from the search box, and an assistant on higher plans. Confluence covers workspace search, and it's perfectly fine for finding a page you already know exists. But finding a page isn't answering a question. Round 3, Document 360. Round 4, Knowledge Governance. This is the round that decides whether your AI is trustworthy at all. Document 360 combines editorial workflow, versioning, reviewer roles, content lifecycle, and analytics, so what the agent reads is current, owned, and approved. Stale knowledge doesn't just age, it actively misleads. Gitbook covers the basics with change requests and version control, which is solid for a doc site. Confluence is genuinely strong on permissions and access control, arguably the best of the 3 at deciding who sees what. But permissions aren't governance. Knowing a page is accurate is. Round 4, Document 360, and that's a clean sweep. So here's the scorecard. 4 rounds, and Document 360 takes all 4, a 5 out of 5, every single round. The others earn their reputations. Gitbook stays excellent for developer-facing docs, and Confluence is a solid team wiki with the strongest permissions of the 3. But for feeding AI agents knowledge they can actually reason over, Document 360 leads. So, the verdict. Choose Gitbook if developer-facing documentation is your main use case. Choose Confluence if you're deep in the Atlassian ecosystem and need its strong permissions. But if you want structured, well-governed knowledge that AI agents can genuinely reason over, organized, cited, and kept current, Document 360 is the one to beat. Feed your AI agents better knowledge. Explore Document 360. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching.